Hey fellows, so if you are working in digital marketing industry, that's mean you know the importance of data, how important data is and how important data should be for a marketing perspective to target the right audience. Targeting the right audience is the key to success and key to successful campaigns. And for that, we should collect data from different sources on a daily basis. The latest data we have, that more accurate our audience targeting will be. And that's how this video is going to help you a lot, because in this video I'm going to show you how to automate the whole system to collect data from different sources straight into your Google Sheets. For example, if you're working on local SEO, then you should have up-to-date data of your competitors. Then if you are working on Amazon or even on search engine optimization, then you should have the updated and the latest data in your hand to compare your performance with your competitors. So without any further delays, let's jump in and share some practicals with you. Okay, so we are now on an empty sheet, and the first thing we need to do is to install a plugin. And that plugin is actually fetching data from different data sources, and it will list it down here in our Google Sheets. So for that, we just need to go to extensions and click on add-ons, and then select the get add-ons. And in the search bar, we just need to search for import. I just need to select the import from web and then navigate to the first result. And you just need to click on the install button, because I have already installed this plugin, and that's why it is showing me uninstall. But you just need to install the plugin and then select the cross button, and then navigate to the extensions again, and you can see we have the plugin activated, but you should have a button activate the add-on. So I will select the reactivate, but you should select the activate add-on, right? And it will start working, and it is working. So it has bunch of other information if you are interested in going with the whole thing, because it can give you more idea and more in-depth analysis of how the tool actually works. But the more interesting thing for me is the templates. I'll select the templates, and then you can see there are a bunch of different templates available for us. So the first thing I would go with is the Google Maps, because it is important to me to export the data from the local businesses, which could be my competitors, and can be used their data. So what I need to do is I just click on this Google Map Places, and it will automatically add another tab to my sheets. And yeah, so the template is now fully loaded. So for now, I will just click on the cross button here to show you a full screen. So this is the layout of this sheet. So I would say, if you don't want to go in depth in these functions, you just need to ignore the first and the second step, and just navigate to the third step, which is more important and which is useful for us. So as we can see, they have already pasted some Google Maps URLs here, and for that URLs they have get data from the Google My Business accounts from their competitors. So let's say I'll try with this one. So let's say I just want to grab all this data, like the number of reviews and the average rating, and then the business name, such as their address, and also their phone number, website, etc. So let me grab the URL and then navigate to the sheets, and just need to paste the URL here, and it will start loading. So it is loading, and now it have fetched all the data what we actually was interested in. So as we can see, we have the business name, the business address. Let me make it more clear. So the business address, and then the name of the city. So the address too would be the name of the city, and then the phone number, the business phone number, and then also we should have their website. we have the website, and then we also have the rating. So the average rating is 4.5, and then the number of reviews. So we have 702 reviews on this business. So it is pretty useful and pretty important metrics for any local SEO, and they can use it. Right, and then we just want to jump into another data source. So for that, we just need to navigate to the extensions and open the sidebar. And then we just need to navigate to the templates again. And I am now interested in the Google search results. So I will click on this one, and it will add another tab in my sheet. Okay, now again I need to click on the cross button so we can see the whole screen. Right, so here it is the feed data which we need to feed in the sheet, and it will give us an output then. Again, we can ignore the second part if we don't want to involve in technical things. Then we should ignore the second one, and the third function is giving us more flexibility and more, options to modify. So let's say I can select my domain TLD. If I'm working on .com TLD, then I'll select the .com here, or if I want to select the .co.uk or even .pk or anything you want me to go with, and then we can also select the market language, actually which market are we targeting, demographic for example. So if we want to target Germany, then we would select the Dutch language. Then if we want to target France, then we should select the French market, and yeah, we can do like accordingly to give us more accurate results based on that demographic. So yeah, these are a bunch of different options you can implement, and you can play around with it. And so the important thing is, like, as we can see, they have like included 100 results for a single term. So let's say we have this term, so it will show the first 100 results for this specific term, and then it will show the 100 results for this one and 100 for this one. So combinedly it will show us 300 results, like, which is pretty annoying to me. I just want to explore the top 10 or even the top 20 results, not the 100 results. So I'll like select the top 10 here, and then you can play around with other metrics. Yeah. Right, so here we go. Like we have 3 different queries here, and it is like showing us 30 results for different query. So 10 for the best trail running shoes, and then 10 for the compare trail running shoes, and then review trail running shoes. Right, and what data actually we are getting? So we are getting meta title of the SERPs, then the body, like, which is the meta description, and then the link, basically the URL of that specific page. So it is actually giving us a bunch of data. If we want to go through all of these things, we can include any other terms such as zakat, calculator, and we added another term here, and we should like see the results bottom because it is on the 4th number, and yeah, here we go, like this is the result. So yeah, I think like this is very useful tool, and we can use it on a daily basis if you want to get data with automation, and I think it is very useful, and every marketer should know about this one. And that's it for today, and I hope you should have liked this video, and if that's the case, please give me a thumbs up to keep me motivated to create more content for you guys. Stay blessed.